Hello po, good afternoon, Attorney. Attorney, magkano yung ginastos ng House of Representatives for this year's State of the Nation address? Maalala na natin last year, nagkaroon or nakatanggap ng kritisismo yung House. Siguro confusion kung paano kinastos yung 20 million budget. This year ba, ano yung budget natin para sa SONA?
Unfortunately, wala ako nung figures nung budget for the SONA. But as far as I know, yung mga allocated na budget for the SONA katulad ng mga nabanggit last year, it's not just to be spent on that day. Ano yun budget for the whole preparation for the SONA, and also may iba't ibang ahensya din na naghahanda para sa SONA. So kung yung specific figures, wala akong mabibigay sa ngayon.
Okay po. Attorney, how prepared is the House in the event that Vice President Duterte shows up next week umattend ng SONA? Kasi di ba sinabi na niya na hindi siya dadalo sa SONA sa ikalawang pagkakataon?
Ready naman po ang House of Representatives to welcome all officials of the government to attend the SONA. Especially bilang isang Vice President, dapat din kasama rin naman sa kanyang tungkulin na makinig sa magiging report ng ating Presidente. The House of Representatives is ready to welcome for her to attend and listen to the report of the President.
On another matter, last week, ang COMELEC approved the substitution sa Tingog, allowing Congresswoman Yeda to be back in the House of Representatives. Can you just explain po, Attorney, how did this happen? Kasi isn't she already on her fourth term by next Congress? Ano po yung explanation doon?
Unfortunately, I cannot explain it as House spokesperson because yung decision on that was by the COMELEC. On the part of the House, I do not even have the information if we have received any official communications from the COMELEC on the matter. Personally, I have read through various news outlets of the update, but on the specifics and legality, hindi ko pa siya ma-discuss as of today.
Okay pa. Pero ma'am, ano na lang yung siguro sentimiento nyo as House spokesperson doon syempre sa mga kritisismo na mas nag-enable ng political dynasty yung ganitong ginawa na pag-angat kay Congresswoman Yeda bilang representative again of Tingog. So now, Speaker Romualdez, yung kanyang anak na si Andrew Julian, and also Congresswoman Yeda, they will all be part of the 20th Congress.
The House of Representatives will only accept kung ano yung mga rulings ng COMELEC in situations like this. The House doesn't determine who are those that will be from the nominees of the party list, kung sino yung uupo. It is based on the proclamations from the COMELEC. So as to opinions, hindi naman nagbibigay ng ganyang klaseng opinion ng House so far on that.
Okay pa. Thank you po.